Today I am going to talk about the very new topic and very important topic, that is Python pop method in list, right? So what is that? The pop method removes an item from a list, right? Its index and returns the removed item, right? Now we have a two syntaxes of what the pop method, uh, removing the elements by the using of what the index, and removing the element by the using of pop method without index, right? So these both are what the syntaxes of pop method, right? First one, this is list name dot pop and index, and the second one is what the list name dot pop, no need to give the index, right? It will uh, delete the item last, it will delete the last item randomly, right? So we have the list of element, right? Now we have a list of what the integer list. I want to remove the item, right? I will use the pop method. Then after we will use the we will give the index we want to delete. Suppose I want to delete the first element, then I will print on the screen and you will get what the output, right? So now I will run this program and you will get what this is the output. And also you will just keep in mind that no need to give index like this, right? You just put the name of you just put the value of only index, right? Suppose if you want to delete first element, then you will only give the 0 index. If you want to delete the second item, then you will give the what, the uh, index 1, right? This is the output, right? And now we have a suppose we want to delete item randomly, then I will give only open, then just to give the what, the parenthesis, right? Last 40 item is not right in that, it has been what deleted, right? Now the list, second list, we have a float list, right? Now we will use the what, the pop method pop, then I will give the value of index. You will just delete the value at index 0, right? So you just name of what list print on this, removed from, right? 10.5 is removed from the list, right? Now you will give only, you are not allowed to give the index value, then you just last type, right? 30.5 is removed from the list, right? In the last we have example of what, the string values list, right? Now I want to delete a fruits dot pop method, then I will give the index 2, right? Now I will print on the screen, you will get what, now I will, so this is the output, right? You will use the index number 2, right? If you want to you will not use the indexing, then you will not apply. So this is all about the pop method in Python list, right? So we have a 4 and 5 example. Removes all values of what, the dictionary, tuple, and do yourself, right? This is the important note of what, the pop method. This is the list of sets. The pop method belongs to the list, not to the set, right? You cannot remove the elements by the using a pop method in this, right? So this is all about the pop method in Python, right?